about yourself and don't worry about nobody. Drinking water, eating fruit, taking care of my body.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Arielle. Today I have a different type of video for you. I am reviewing the Zomei 18-inch LED ring light that I got from Amazon. So this ring light was $109. You guys, I love this ring light so much. I didn't even plan to do a video on it, but I'm really glad that I did. So on my coolest setting, I started with the coolest first, and then this is the warm. I really appreciate that the dial controls the temperature. I don't have to take plates on and off. My other ring lights, I have to actually take the plates off and clamp them back on, and it's very difficult. This one though, it just comes with it. I also like that this stand is so durable compared to my newer ring light, which that stand is much smaller and frail, and I have had them break before. This is the best ring light I've ever had. I've been through about 4 now. So far, so good. I will leave the link in the description. Zomei on Amazon, so you can check it out if you are looking for a really good quality ring light. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really truly appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video.